Welcome to our exploration of hemophilia, the inherited royal disease that has shaped history and medicine. From ancient texts to modern advancements, join us as we uncover the fascinating story behind this rare genetic disorder. Discover the historical figures and medical pioneers who have played a role in understanding and treating hemophilia, and learn about the impact it has had on royal families and society as a whole. Get ready for a journey through time and science as we delve into the world of hemophilia. Hemophilia, often referred to as the royal disease, is a rare genetic disorder that impairs the body's ability to control blood clotting, leading to prolonged bleeding episodes. This inherited condition has a long history, with references dating back to ancient texts and notable figures in medical history. The Talmud, a central text of Rabbinic Judaism, contains passages discussing the issue of male circumcision in families with a history of bleeding disorders, possibly indicating an awareness of hemophilia in ancient times. In the Bible, the story of Joseph in Egypt includes a reference to a bleeding disorder that afflicted his descendants, suggesting a possible early recognition of hemophilia. Kitab al-Tasrif, the first medical professional to describe the disorder, was a 10th century Arab physician called al-Zahrawi, also known as Abul Qasis or Abu Qasim. His principal work is the Kitab al-Tasrif, a 30-volume encyclopedia of medical practices. In it, he identifies the hereditary nature of hemophilia and describes families whose male relatives succumbed from uncontrolled bleeding after trauma. The first modern documented case of hemophilia is often attributed to John Conrad Otto in 1803, who described a family with a hereditary bleeding disorder in his medical writings. The modern understanding of hemophilia advanced significantly in the 20th century. Erik Adolf von Willebrand, a Finnish physician, described a bleeding disorder that was later named after him, now known as von Willebrand disease, which is distinct from hemophilia but also affects blood clotting. Alfredo Pavlovsky, an Argentine physician, made significant contributions to the treatment of hemophilia, particularly in developing countries. Hemophilia gained notoriety as the royal disease due to its prevalence among European royal families. Queen Victoria of England carried the gene for hemophilia and passed it on to several of her descendants, including her son Prince Leopold, Duke of Albany, and her granddaughter Alexandra, wife of Tsar Nicholas II of Russia.
Tsarevich Alexei, the only son of Tsar Nicholas II and Tsarina Alexandra, famously suffered from hemophilia. His condition was a closely guarded secret, and the family turned to the controversial mystic Rasputin for help, believing his prayers could alleviate Alexei's symptoms. Medical advances and challenges. In the past, hemophilia had a low life expectancy, with many individuals dying from bleeding complications at a young age. However, advancements in medical care, such as the development of clotting factor replacement therapies, have significantly improved the quality of life and life expectancy for those with hemophilia. Today, treatment for hemophilia often involves regular infusions of clotting factors, which can be derived from human plasma or produced using recombinant DNA technology. These treatments have revolutionized the management of hemophilia, allowing individuals with the condition to lead relatively normal lives. In conclusion, hemophilia is a complex and fascinating disorder with a rich historical background. From ancient texts to modern medical advances, the story of hemophilia highlights the importance of understanding genetic disorders and the remarkable progress that has been made in treating them. Outro narrator. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and science of hemophilia. We hope you gained a deeper understanding of this complex disorder and its impact on individuals and society. Stay tuned for more videos on fascinating medical topics, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for future content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the human body and mind.